start with the earth where the iron lies, deep in the ground where the fire hides. Mined by machines hauled up from the dust, iron ore and trucks kicking up rust. Shipped to the mill where the blast begins, high heat chambers where the process spins. Crushed and ground, mixed with coal, breaking down rock, we're chasing a goal. Forge the fire, burn it bright, steel's in the making through day and night. From ore to molten, from red to gray, we shape the world in a fiery way. Blast furnace roars, heat intense, iron meets coke in a high-temp dance. Limestone added to draw out waste, as impurities float and melt in haste. Molten iron flows, liquid and red, carbon's the mix that gives steel its edge. Poured in a mold, let it cool and set, hard as stone but stronger yet. Forge the fire, burn it bright, steel's in the making through day and night. From ore to molten, from red to gray, we shape the world in a fiery way. Into the refinery to lose the slag, out with the waste, no room for drag. Heat it, roll it, temper the might, in sheets of beams till the steel's just right. Mill spin, press and bend, where steel's reformed and shaped again. Cooled in a bath, checked for flaws, stamped and tested, no room for pause. Coils, bars or sturdy beams, built for bridges, ships, machines. Steel's the spine, the bones, the frame, from iron ore to a world-renowned name.